Hey guys, welcome to the Pros Design. So this one is a 2-car garage with a workshop that is sitting on a 15 by 30 block, so 450 square block. So come through, we'll show you a couple of the things that the client has done. Straight up, you saw the security screen that we've done, and now coming in, your standard, your master's at the front, and let's go through there. So standard master, this will fit a king or a super king with side tables, and then we've actually got your makeup recess section in here. And now the big thing that we've changed here is the ensuite layout. So separate toilet, which always is included with our designs, so that's in there. We've relocated the double vanity into this area here. You've still got your massive walking bed, your walking robe. Jesus, didn't forget what it's called. This is a whole bedroom size in here, so plenty of ways to set this up. You can always do a full custom cabinetry afterwards as well. But really cool space. And now we're going into the main part that we relocated, which was the double shower and the freestanding bathtub. This glass door, it's almost like the ones you see in hotels. It is actually quite heavy, and it's also that glass coat as well, so it's not see-through. Straight into the double shower, you can see the client's actually done full height ceiling, tiling to the ceiling. It's got a little soap niche, the 2 handles here, and then into the freestanding bathtub with its own separate soap niche as well. So it's using the same space, but we've just completely redesigned based on the client's preference. So come through to the rest of the home. We'll go straight into the kitchen, my kitchen, which is the fucking garage. So workshop space, room for 2 cars in here. It's got a little separate roller door as well. Garage doors and stuff are still coming onto this home. So we'll come through. So nice wide hallways. Even though this is designed for a 12.5 wide frontage, it's actually quite unique. Coming in, we've got your theatre in here. So it's a double door opening. However, you will have seen there's only one handle. So we set it up so that it's easy for clients to move in all the furniture. So the standard door handle, which will be the opening. And then this one is just without a door handle, but it's got the lock. So real easy to move all your furniture in. Once you set it all up, close it back up. As easy as that. They've already designated the spot for the TV. Got its own conduits to feed all the cables through. They can do a TV unit down here, wall hung TV, couch behind with some power points set up. And now into the open area. So open plan living. So you've got your dining and your living here. And then into the kitchen. So this has got overhead cupboards, you've got a glass mirror splashback rather than a standard tile. So a little bit easier for cleaning. Just depends, it's more of a preference. It does get dirty just as quickly as everything else. Some people prefer this for the finish. Black undermount sinks, which has been upgraded by the clients. We've also done all the black cabinetry standard. These pot drawers have been optioned by the client. So you've got 2 different ways you can really do it. You can separate them into 3, or these guys have done nice deep ones and only 2 in the same height. So pots and pans will be really handy here. Dishwasher recess, the standard appliances, so 900 appliances. Same thing with all overheads that we try and do is that integrated range within here, make it look nice and flush. And then into the scullery. Scullery, we've done overheads again, and we've increased the tiles. So this is your subway tiles with black grout. Some standard cabinetry in here. It's on a quad PowerPoint. So this looks like where they might be storing quite a lot of like microwave, I don't know, what's the other shit that people do? Toasters, teapots, whatever the fuck they want to do. This is your actual setup for your pantry. So you've got your 4 shelving in here, and then into the laundry. So I really like this laundry. Reason why, I've upgraded the linen. So this is your standard linen, right? So we got your 4 shelving. Standard is vinyl finish. You can do a mirror, you can do a white glass, and this is the black glass option. So I really like this option. It does cost a bit more, but it looks pretty sick. And we've also nominated a spot in here for the broom closet. And they've done a PowerPoint to wall hung for their Dyson, you know, vacuum cleaner, whatever they need. So these are little things you gotta think about when you're doing in your home. And then into laundry, it's an open area. So if they do a combo, like a washing machine dryer combo, a bit more overhead, so you can never have enough storage in a home, especially if the plan isn't enormous. So wherever you can throw some more cabinets, definitely worth it. So that's laundry, and now we'll go into the back section, into where the minor bedrooms are. So it's got bed 2 in here. Same thing, built-in robes. So this is that mirror finish with its shelf and rail. All the minor bedrooms will fit a queen bed with a side table, or 2 side tables, whichever depends on orientation of the floor plan. Next one, we've got bed 3 over here. Same thing. Put your bed in, built-in robes, nice and easy. Throw all the stuff that you need into these minor spare bedrooms. And then bed 4 as well. And then you've got a spare toilet in here. And then I'll put myself into the spare bathroom. Client has done quite a lot of the upgrades that we recommend. One of them is you normally have this glass over here. So we've instead pushed it out and made this tile knit wall to remove the unnecessary cleaning that that's normally what you see in homes. This also allows a built-in ledge here for shampoos, whatever you need. We do really love seeing that. And then they've also done the recess to the cabinetry, which gives that semi-floating look. And also we recommend extending the tiling around and then extend the mirror to one piece, as you can see. Really cool. You gotta remember, this is the same space you see in all the homes. It definitely makes it look a lot more bigger and open. So that's all this area. We'll go back to the living area and then into the alfresco to show you what this design looks like on a 450 square block, which is bigger than what's required because it's got massive side access. So out in here, into the alfresco. So it's nice and open, nothing too dramatically big. So the standard backyard that you see, this is normally what you get. Now, this plan needs that 12.5 by 30, so a 375 square meter block. We've got 450. Big thing for this client was get what they can in the garage, still keep a 4x2 of the theatre, but they needed the side access for other vehicles, potentially a caravan or a boat. So, how we work it, you get 2.5 meters extra space with a 15 by 30 block with this design. However, we've switched it, so we had the garage pushed against the boundary, which means that the other side of the home, minimum requirement is 1.5 meters off the fence. So you put your 2.5 with your 1.5, you get 4 meters side access, and this is what it looks like. Really cool. Does mean a little bit of extra cost for the client for backyard, as well as doing a gate later down the track. But so many different ways to use this. From entertainment, parking a caravan, parking a boat. So even people that are currently on big properties and want to downsize, you can maximize a block like this to still use for your lifestyle. All you got to do is make sure that you explain these requirements to us from the beginning, so we can make sure we get the right block for you and the right design to suit your requirements for inside the home, but also for your external activities. So if you like something like this, let us know. We are doing these type of concepts quite often now, mainly because shit's just getting so expensive. So if we can save a bit on the house, but still maximize in the land and everything else, we'll definitely love to help you out.